Hello, I'm Jorge Franco, and I present the work A Decolonized Mode of Creating a Three-Dimensional Digital Space based on transdisciplinary knowledge. I'm a researcher at the Institute of Advanced Studies of the University of São Paulo, IEA USP, a collaborative research uh, at the International Interinstitutional Research Group in Convergence among Art and Science and Technology, Institute of Arts, NESP, and English teacher at a primary school called the Hernani Silva Bruno. My motivation is based on the Brazilian law 10,690 from 2023, which says that it's mandatory teaching Afro-Brazilian history and culture. And also, we have the problem of lacking in the process of learning and teaching these subjects from K-12 university from K-12 to university education levels. And another challenge is how to teach in Afro-Brazilian history and culture with support of contemporary digital technologies, which have made part of the digital transformation. So we think that it's necessary stimulate individuals, digital, visual, arts, technical, and cultural literacy enhancements within integrated and transdisciplinary educative, dialogic, and participatory processes. So we think that these integrated processes can allow to make experiments related to implementing the decolonized mode of researching and creating three-dimensional virtual reality digital spaces, which represent transdisciplinary knowledge. For doing that, we can integrate educative process that we have talked and link it with a necessity of achieving the goal of the ODS4, which is to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. So we have addressed experiment to process education, decolonial curriculum through experimenting since the K-12 levels with students. So first researching about samba and doing a gallery by using internet resources like the VRML virtual reality modeling language and test editor with students and exchange ideas, and so also explain the knowledge through the time to diverse educators and students within our school environment at K-12 levels. So we have tried to cross English, Portuguese, math, geometry, history, all this knowledge integrated by using the process of coding, 3D programming using computer graphics, and visualizations in real time. We have used low-cost web-based technologies for that. Currently, we have used the X3D language and format, a notepad editor, and a H3D viewer for standalone coding and visualization, as you can see in this picture. On the left, the coding, on the right, the 3D representation through the golden stick. In this one, we have another example that is one of the projects we are doing at the moment that we talk later in this presentation. And also we have possibilities of doing it on the internet using the Exidon platform. So the ones that have access to the internet can do it directly using a block-based work. Or if not, you can download the software and do it in a standalone way. And we have used the Web3D resources as open educational resources. That is good because make us to do lifelong learning in researches. And then we can connect this Web3D technology with inspirational work such as Rubens Valentim, Jacob Lawrence, Abdias Nascimento, that were artists, educators, and self-taught boys or men or men that inspire their work in showing the art, the African Brazilian art, the African American art that were not taught in their school environments. So beyond that, their trajectories of lifelong learning have used the geometry and colorful forms for composing their artwork. So it was very inspirative for us. Just an example, Valentin's works integrate abstract signs made from horizontal and vertical lines, circles, curves, and arrows. These components are geometric reductions of orishas or dates from the Afro-Brazilian relations Candomblé and Umbanda. It includes European and Amerindian cultures and knowledge. And then such geometric reductions can be represented through using Web 3D computer graphic digital libraries, which include X3D technical features based on the concept of sacred geometry. And so we have used it in our experiments, self-taught experiments, like this that I used the blog-based one, inspired on Valentin's work first, and then using the HTML editor from the blog for building this 3D model on the right. And for example, this blue arrow showing the material blue and the blue color in the 3D model. And then as a student in the project Espetáculo em Realidade Aumentada at Fábrica de Cultura Diadema, I have further explored this knowledge that I have talked with you. So I have mixed research that I have been doing with 3D graphics, and so developing such this interface. And this interface has been used in the course for sharing knowledge with other educators and students and community around. And now we are developing another project in a 3D decolonial narrative that we have fully explored our knowledge related to the inspirational artwork of the mentioned artists. And also, for example, bring out about the knowledge that was used in Egypt related to geometry. After that, passed by the Greeks in terms of the Cartesian plan, and so constructing, reading, writing, researching, and then bring about to this process and an interface like this using a text-based editor and a 3D viewer for materializing the thinking that we have developed. So in this work, we did decolonial experimental processes showing that they can be sustainable and a lifelong learning opportunity of using advanced and low-cost digital technology. This have served as support for research about ancestral knowledge and learning how to materialize cultural heritage, including experimenting how to preserve them based on digital preservation proceedings. So inspiring to exploring ways of storytelling using advanced low-cost web-based virtual reality technologies, which are high-quality digital resources that can enable to learn truth, integrating transdisciplinary knowledge, and developing complex and spatial thinking skills. So thank you for the attention. And if you need, you can contact me by email. Thank you.